Today we're going to be making a game day cheese ball. And for this you'll need 2 packs of cream cheese softened. Put those in your mixing bowl. A little messy, but scrape as much off as you can. And then a small sweet onion diced. I used a little under that because we don't like as much onion in ours. And then you need a pack of the beef, and I take chop it up and then take half of that and add it in your mixture. Combine all that together. Some people use a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, which I don't like to do, but you can if you want. Make sure you get all that combined really well. Move some stuff out of my way. Take your plate or platter. On there. And you combine it into a nice little bowl. And you take the rest of your beef, you put that on your plate. And you take and spread it around on your plate, and then you just kind of take the cheese ball and roll it through it. Try to do it evenly. Sometimes it won't stick, so you have to kind of pick it up and put it on there. And then you can transfer it over to your platter. And have your crackers with it. Then you can take that and move it over to your platter. And since it's almost Valentine's Day, I found a nice Valentine's Day platter. Put that over there. And then you can have your crackers with it. I should have opened those before I got my hands all messed up. You can have the Club or Ritz or whatever kind of cracker you like. There you have it.